These are some tips on how to replace the headlight bulb in your second generation Lincoln MKZ. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. In this video, I'm working on the facelift version of the MKZ, which is 2017 to 2020, but I'm sure it's also similar for the pre-facelift, which is 2013 to 2016. All right, I want to make a quick video about the headlight bulb on the MKZ. Unfortunately, there is no room to just get your hand behind here and get the bulb out. So you will need to get into the wheel liner and get this out, because there are bolts where the headlight bolts in right here. There's one down here at the top. There's one here. There's one down there that needs to come out. You don't have to actually remove the entire front bumper, but you do need to remove the plastic trim and remove all the bolts across the top so you can pull the front bumper forward after you've completely disconnected the bumper cover from the wheel liner on the side and at the bottom. So here's a look at everything apart. Have the bumper cover pulled forward and that headlight assembly pulled forward. You'll be able to see behind it there's a rubber boot covering the bulb that'll just pull straight out. But you can see that we had to take out the plastic trim over the top of the grill and all of the bolts at the top of the grill all the way across the side in order to get enough room to pull that bumper cover forward. And once you do that, you'll have access to remove the bolts for the headlight. And some of those you will need to go into the wheel well to access them. So you can see I pulled that wheel liner out and have it tucked. And you can see you have much better access to get the bolts out to actually pull that headlight assembly forward. There is no room to get your hand back there and get that bulb out with the headlight still in place. This MKZ uses a DS3 bulb, and I'll have a link in the description. You'll see at the 10 o'clock position there's a tab sticking out. That's part of the lock ring on the left side, and then on the right side there's a tab sticking out that's at about the 4 o'clock position, which I'm zooming into right here. You're gonna need to grab those tabs and turn it counterclockwise about 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn, and then you can pull that bulb straight out and disconnect the electrical connector. Installing the new bulb is just the reverse. You're going to connect the electrical connector first and then push the bulb straight in, and then you'll need to grab that lock ring and turn it clockwise to lock it into position, and then you should be all set. Just put the rubber boot back on and test out the bulb and put everything back together. To change the headlight bulb, you will need certain tools. Just a typical socket set. I know there were some 10mm, some 7, and maybe some 8, so you need your socket set with your extensions. I also used a tool like this to remove the plastic clips from the wheel liner and under the hood. But if you don't have this, you can get away with the flathead screwdriver. And you will need star point sockets, also known as Torx bit, because there were some bolts on the headlight assembly that were Torx. So that's pretty much it. You don't need anything special, but you will need these things to get that bumper cover off and get that headlight assembly pulled out. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.